Life is going to throw a lot of challenges your way. People will tell you to stop, and there will be times when you feel like giving up. But the legends are not defined by their successes. They're defined by how they bounce back from their failures. So, my question to you is, how do you handle your failures? Do you let them defeat you or bounce back from them? There is a secret tip at the end of the video that will help you bounce back from failures. But before that, let me tell you that it takes guts to push through those difficult times. And sometimes, people may even think you're crazy for pursuing your dreams. But you must remember, the lion in you never retreats. You are stronger than you think, and you can survive more than you believe. It's necessary to evaluate the people in your life who are the energy drainers and who are the dream busters. You need to get them out of your life because they'll deplete your energy, and you cannot allow that to happen. Don't look to others for support. Instead, look inside yourself. The hardest thing in the world is to believe in yourself, but you must start thinking that you're the grittiest mother of timescare in the world. Build confidence, self-esteem, and armor your mind for what's out there in life. Now, here's the secret tip that will help you bounce back from failures. Believe that you're special, different, and that you're supposed to be somebody. Even in the middle of the struggle, tell yourself that you can do it. You got what it takes, and you will not be defeated. Healing takes place first in the spirit, so tell yourself that you can do this, and you got what it takes. Believe in yourself one more time. Pick yourself up off the mat one more time, and you will see success. So, my question to you is, are you ready to believe in yourself and bounce back from your failures? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without